Hello student, today we are going to start about the spherical mirror. You have learned about the plane mirror in which the surface is plane and the reflection through the plane mirror you have studied in the lower classes. Spherical mirror is of two types. Convex mirror and concave mirror. Okay, one by one we will study about this. If we will talk about the plane mirror, so tell me how it can be made. There's a transparent glass, and if we will polish the one side, then this becomes mirror, right? By polishing the one side of the transparent glass, it becomes mirror, right? This is a simple thing. When light will incident, then it will reflect. In case of the spherical mirror, see how it can be made. There's a hollow transparent glass. Okay, understand it. There's a hollow transparent glass, and we will cut a piece of the glass like AB, AB, and take it separately. Okay, like this. AB have taken separately. Now, this time this is a transparent glass. But if we will polish one surface, then it will become the spherical mirror. The outer part is called convex surface. Outer part is called convex surface. And the inner part is called concave surface. Okay, so we can polish either surface, either convex or concave. Let's polish the convex surface. This is the polishing. Now we have polished the convex surface. So from which part the reflection will take place? Obviously from the concave surface. Convex surface is already polished. If convex surface is polished, then the reflection will take place from the concave surface. So it will call the concave mirror. The name of the mirror is based on which reflection from which surface the reflection is taking place. In this case, the reflection is taking place from the concave surface. That's why it is called the concave mirror. Okay. Apart from this, we can also polish the concave surface. See, now this time this is the mirror AB. Inner part is concave, and this time we are going to polish the concave surface. Okay, and now the reflection will take place from the convex surface. अरे रिफ्लेक्शन वहीं से होगा ना जो पार्ट पॉलिश नहीं है, ठीक है। तो पॉलिश कौन सा नहीं है, कॉन्वेक्स वाला नहीं है यहाँ पे, तो कॉन्वेक्स सरफेस से रिफ्लेक्शन होगा। सो दिस मिरर इज कॉल्ड कॉन्वेक्स सरफेस, कॉन्वेक्स मिरर। मिरर का नेम में बच्चे बहुत कंफ्यूज होते हैं, हमेशा अपोजिट लिख करके चले आते हैं। तो याद करने का तरीका क्या है, इनर पार्ट को बोलते हैं कॉनकेव सरफेस और आउटर पार्ट को बोलते हैं कॉन्वेक्स सरफेस। रिफ्लेक्शन जिस सरफेस से होगा वही उसका नाम होगा। यहां रिफ्लेक्शन किससे हो रहा है, फर्स्ट वाले डायग्राम में कॉनकेव सरफेस, इसलिए नेम क्या है, कॉनकेव मिरर। यहां रिफ्लेक्शन किससे हो रहा है, कॉन्वेक्स सरफेस से, इसलिए नाम क्या है, कॉन्वेक्स मिरर। ठीक है। नाउ spherical mirror is of two types, convex mirror and concave mirror. Okay, concave mirror is also called the converging mirror. This is also important. The question can be asked, which mirror is called the converging mirror and why? The reason behind this, concave mirror always converges the parallel beam of light and convex mirror always diverge that's what it's called, the diverging mirror. Convex surface means convex mirror always diverge the parallel beam of light, so it will call the diverging mirror. कन्वर्ज का मतलब होता है एक पॉइंट पे इकट्ठा कर देना। तो कॉनकेव सरफेस क्या, कॉनकेव मिरर क्या करता है कि पैरेलल बीम ऑफ लाइट को एक पॉइंट पे इकट्ठा कर देता है, सो इट इज कॉल्ड द कन्वर्जिंग मिरर। एंड कॉन्वेक्स जो मिरर है ये क्या करता है कि पैरेलल बीम ऑफ लाइट को बिखेर देता है, सो इट इज कॉल्ड द डाइवर्जिंग मिरर। ठीक है। Now there are some terms related to the mirror. So on the next page, terms related to mirror. Related to spherical mirror. Okay. One by one we will study. Like first, is pole. Pole is denoted by P, and this is the center of the spherical mirror. Pole. Okay. I will draw the diagram also. These are the simple things. Firstly, switch on your video, everyone. Prakriti Raj, switch on your video. Vicky Gupta, switch on your video, everyone, please. चलिए ठीक, ठीक है, जिनके वीडियोस ऑन है मैं उनके अटेंडेंस लगा दूंगा. Now you can leave the class. हाँ बच्चा, मैं अभी अभी मैं फोन करके बताता हूँ कैमरा आपका रिस्पॉन्ड कर रहा है कि नहीं कर रहा. टेंशन ना लो अभी आप.